Have you ever noticed the extra button sewn inside your shirt? Most people think it's just a spare in case one falls off. But that's not actually the main reason it's there. In fact, almost nobody knows the real purpose of this extra button. And once you hear it, you'll never look at your shirts the same way again. If you check almost any dress shirt or casual button-up, you'll find it. Sometimes it's stitched near the bottom seam. Other times attached to the care label or hidden inside the shirt. It looks random, almost pointless. But clothing manufacturers don't add details like this by accident. Yes, the extra button can be used as a replacement, but its real job has more to do with testing than fixing. That button is made from the exact same material and batch as the others, which makes it perfect for quality control. Before shirts go into mass production, manufacturers use that extra button to test washing, heat, detergent, and dry cleaning chemicals. This allows them to see how the material reacts without damaging the visible buttons on the shirt. So that small, forgotten button is actually there to protect the quality, color, and durability of your clothing. Now you know the real reason that extra button exists. And if you want to know the reason why coins have ridges, check out the video you see on the screen now.